Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a deep kitchen clean. I have a ton of dishes to wash. This is the result of not washing in between breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but I'm going to tackle it tonight. As you can see, I was pointing there because I have some broken tile below my sink. I thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I hope you like it. I hope it gives you much motivation. Thank you so much. Click that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, and enjoy the video. This is my natural all-purpose DIY cleaner that I made. It is so good. I love it. I use it all around the house. If you are interested in it, just leave me a comment down below and I'll make a video. Dish soap that I'm using. It is a great value version of Dawn. In my opinion, it saves you a bunch of money and it's the same quality as Dawn. So if you love Dawn as much as I did, then you should give this a shot. I'm sure you're gonna love it. I love washing out my sink before I wash my dishes. Also, the sprayer on my sink went out on me, so I have to go old school and just pour some water into a cup and rinse my sink, but that's fine. Moment I realized that I didn't have the stopper to my sink. It was so funny. I was really looking, and it really took me about 5 minutes to find my stopper. The dishwashing portion of this video, you're going to notice that I wash all my dishes in sections. I wash the utensils, then I wash the cups, and then plates, etc. There is a method to all my madness. section, because if I didn't, my dish drain would be full.
When does this happen in the movie?
Now. You're looking at now, sir. Everything that happens now is happening now.
What happened then?
Past that.
When?
I just had to share with you guys this dining set that I found at Walmart. It comes in 4 different colors and 4 different pairs of everything that I just showed you. It's BPA free. I love it, my kids love it, and it's less than $10. This is my husband's indoor grill. It's so easy to clean. I love cleaning it. It don't require any scrubbing. Usually we make big meals. We meal prep with this thing because the surface is so big. If you're interested in this, leave me a comment and I'll leave a link on the next video. And it's kind of satisfying. This candle sitting on a warmer. Sometimes I throw in some old wax melts and it makes it smell so good and it lasts for days. nothing like a shiny sink that you can see yourself in. Couple of my essential oils that I have on hand. I have the lemongrass, I have the lavender, I have peppermint, I have orange. I need some new recommendations, so if you guys have any of your favorites, list them down below so I can give them a try. Yes, we have a mini fridge in our kitchen, but we use this to store all of our waters, our sodas, our juices, and our coconut waters as well. Cleaning is such a workout. It's so hot. We'll reorganize this drawer someday, but not tonight.